Hey, this is Tony from New York. I just lost 50 pounds and I want to tell everybody about it. I did everything to lose the weight. I hired a personal trainer. It didn't work. He was never on time. He was always charging me every time I couldn't make it. It was just ridiculous. So I went online, looked for a couple of local trainers in Sunnyside. All of a sudden I see a website called trainerapproved.com. I figure, hey, it's online instructional videos for each and every exercise. That sounds pretty freaking sweet. Not to bore you guys anymore, but this is what it looks like to be a member of trainerapproved.com, baby. This is what it looks like. 50 pounds. Look at my biceps. My chest was just sagging all of a sudden. This is what it looks like. trainerapproved.com. You gotta join.